What's up, guys? Today we are going to be building our racing simulator so we can do stuff like that.
So before we get started, we just want to give a huge shout out to Inside Sim Racing for giving us a set of plans. Well, it's actually linked on their website, which will be down in the description if you want to build a setup just like this.
So far we've got the seat all put together. We actually got it off, what, Summit Racing?
Summit Racing is like $150 shipped, which for a brand new seat isn't bad. I mean, you could go to the junkyard and get one for like $20, but that's weird.
This has got to go in my room, and my mom has got to look at it. So yeah. And it also has sliders on the bottom, so it adjusts forward and backward because Justin's tall as heck.
Yep. I was gonna do a cool shot.
There's plenty more boards to cut. We could do it 19. Justin, do something.
Nah, brah. I just like the camera.
What?
I just like the camera.
What?
I just want the camera. I just want the camera. Good?
Yeah.
What, comfortable? More comfortable?
Comfortabler.
More comfortable?
I mean, it's pretty decent. I mean, it's hard to tell without any pedals.
You gotta make it look like I'm doing something, Kyle. Make sure you get me.
He's doing something.
I'm helping.
And we are back for day 2. We got the steering wheel out here, we got the pedals out here, and we honestly should have done that the other day because the steering wheel needs to be on my knees, and that's not going to work. So we're going to raise up the seat.
Yeah, probably add a 2x4 on top of this one.
Maybe 2.
Yeah. Maybe 2.
But we'll see what happens. We still got the shifter mount, we still got all that, so we're going to start working on that right now. So you like our sliding system? We cut some holes in it so you can slide it forward and back.
Oh yeah. And long-legged people.
Or short-legged people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. Alright.
Yeah, I guess. I was like, that's gonna be too long.
I'm sorry. I didn't even think about it. You alright?
Man.
I bet that hurt.
Yeah, I need
You
some,
have your finger right there.
need some shorter screws.
So I will have to paint it up.
I don't know what I'm saying, so you can just put it on a tripod.
Alright guys, it
Towards
is
you, Eric.
probably, what do you think,
Towards you.
Justin, an hour or two later?
Towards you, Eric. Can you-
Oh, well, yeah. We're still working on this thing. We got our friend Eric over here.
Or actually,
He's got a VR set up just like we're working on.
the
so-
Eric that we mentioned earlier in the video.
Yeah, I think we did mention him actually. But yeah, so we're working on it right now. We're getting all the stuff hooked up.
Get it?
And
No?
yeah, it's wiring. You guys don't care. All right. See you in the next episode when we race and we have a lot of fun.
And we test it out, make sure it works, and it's finally fully painted.
Yeah.